Hi.
How you doing, bro?
Not too bad. I'm Christian.
Leo, nice
Hi.
to meet you, bro. Yeah, it's right here.
This one here.
Yeah.
Alrighty.
Yeah, bro. Okay.
There it goes. Alrighty.
What did Papi Dio was talking about? It's like, I want you, yo. Bro, I don't. It either money I'm doing.
Open the trunk.
Yeah, hold on.
You have to stop.
I'm gonna try. Alright, if you can take that guy.
Don't mark it by eye. Mark it by foot. I don't know.
Nah, check all in there, bro. Do that. Oh. You can.
Nope. Okay.
The green stuff right here?
I'm just looking for the release. There should be a button somewhere that allows us to open up the trunk.
Is it this one?
I don't think so. Nope. Let's see here. Let me look it up for this one. Give me a moment here. What year is the vehicle?
I see you playing it. You got a race card or you just came out? You need a race card?
Man, we gotta start trying to get that car, bro. Because when I'm leaving, I'm trying to drive that John, bro. I'm trying to drive that down, bro.
Yeah, bro. I'm just waiting on Ibrahim, bro.
I'm trying to drive that John down back to. Gonna be able to open this from back here?
All right. I think I know what to do here. Bear with me.
Oh, you gotta just gonna put like power in the car, baby. Yeah, okay. I was there, but I want to feel it, right? I want to feel it, then I came back. Before they made the roster, they nigga straight out good. Bro, I thought I already told him, so for next year, we're all going together. Imagine you come and call me, not calling me.
I call him in. It was late, bro.
I'm just waiting on a timer. Bear with me here.
How you doing, man?
Okay, don't touch anything. Perfect.
Turn!
should be all set, okay? Alrighty. Good luck, my friend.
Thanks, man.
Yeah, absolutely.